So if you're anyone who is currently working on your website and you deal with data sheets like this all day long, or if you're pulling it off ASAP and you wonder sometimes why there's so many fields on the data sheet that you may not be paying attention to, this video is going to talk to you about how to use those fields that we have on the ASAP data sheet or other data sheets that you might get to actually turn visitors to your website into sales. So every top line in every data sheet is a header line. And you know you're going to need certain things. You're going to need SKU number, part, image. Those are standard, going to have it. But every other field that you find on here may or may not be something you'd like to help use on your website to get clients or customers to quicker get to the parts they're looking for. So I'm going to pull up a site that where I'm going to use as a tutorial site for this, and I'm going to show you how those data sheets change how your customers can search for products on your site. So let's go to the products page and let's go into winch and recovery, for example. All right. Your customers get in here, they know they want a winch. Depending on what categories you have, you may have multiple pages of winches, right? Lots of pages. Again, you may carry 5, 6 different brands. Well, that's too much for customers these days, right? They don't want to go through them. They want to get a quicker way to find what they're looking for. Because of the data and the fields on the data, when a customer goes here, now they know they can shop by a pull capacity, and they can click, I know I want 10,000 pound. And now it comes down to only the 10,000 pound capacity, one page, and it'll help them find what they're looking for. But that pull capacity was from a data sheet, right? Let's look at a different product. Same type of concept off of a data sheet, but a different way to use it on your website. Let's go to tires and wheels. Wheels, right? Wheels are a crazy thing and lots of different options on them. Now this is not searching, that we didn't put a field in here. What we did is we can use it on the display itself. So in this one display, it's talking about one series, right? Because a lot of people are looking for this series and they know they want a certain configuration. So here, the customer, and this is because of data, and I'm going to show you how this works in a minute. You'll see this is the main SKU number. This is the description for the main SKU number. This is the information for this. So if we go in and we go, I want 16-inch wheel diameter, the SKU number changes. If the picture changes, it will change with it as well. The description changes. I know I want this bolt pattern. I know, well, this bolt pattern and this only comes with this backspace. It only comes with that, and it only comes in gloss. But how that got on this display is all due to the data sheets behind it. And I'm going to log in so I can show you how this looks on the back end. Hold on. Now I logged in, and your site might not be like this. We use Drupal, so I can see from the front and the back. But now I'm logged in, and I'm going to show you that this one display that your customers are seeing, right, actually carries quite a few different products. So all of these different SKUs are behind that one display, but because of the columns on a data sheet, we can take certain search terms, certain fields, and segregate them out. So they're not having to go to the 15-inch wheel diameter with this and, oh, that's not what I want. We all understand that consumers are almost wanting you to have this psychic, you should know what I want before I get there. Every time they have to hit the back button, they may just decide to hit the back button off your website. So using the fields that are provided on your data sheet is really a phenomenal way to help you sell more products. If you're not using these types of fields, right? If you're not using your website to its highest purpose, call us and we can figure out if your website can. I can help walk you through how to use those data sheets. This is your business, guys, and data can help you sell more parts, but not if you don't apply that data to your websites. All right, I hope that kind of helps.